So you're thinking of buying a condo? You might just be stepping into some super common traps. Let's count down the top 6 mistakes to avoid, starting with a critical aspect many overlook, which could impact your life in completely unexpected ways. So coming in at number 6 is not researching the condo association. It's vital to understand the association's rules, its financial status, and the management style. This knowledge can save you from future headaches and unexpected costs. Now this leads us perfectly into number 5 on our list, which is overlooking additional fees. Condos obviously come with maintenance fees, but they can come with HVAC rentals and, in some cases, special assessments. Ensure that you're fully aware of all the costs involved to avoid financial surprises further down the line, not to mention potential further stress. Number 4 is ignoring location and the amenities. The value of your condo is heavily influenced by its location and the amenities offered. Think about proximity to essential services, transport links, and lifestyle facilities. Number 3 on the list is neglecting to inspect the property. Just like a house, inspecting a condo is crucial. Check for potential issues in both the unit and the common areas. This step is essential for a well-informed purchase. Number 2 on the list is failing to consider future needs. Life changes, and so might your space requirements. What works for you now may not necessarily be ideal in a few years from now. Always plan with an eye on the future, which takes us perfectly into the top mistake. It's not understanding the resale and rental potential. Before buying, consider how your condo will fare in future markets. Factors like market trends, location, and neighborhood features can impact its resale or its rental potential. Avoiding these mistakes can turn condo buying from daunting to delightful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on condo living and real estate at large. If you're looking for a condo in the city of Toronto or anywhere in the GTA, be sure to hit us up, Under the Radar Real Estate. Me and my team would be more than happy to help you with your next condo purchase. So thanks for watching, and remember, in real estate, as in life, the next big thing might just be where you least expect it. Peace out.